Alrighty, we are in Farang heaven, which is Rimping supermarket. You can get anything you want here if you've got the cashish. They sell all the shit you're used to seeing in Western stores, plus more. But everything is way more money than it is in Macro or Big C. But you'll definitely find things here that you can't find there. I am here in Mai, where my boy Jeffrey McCollum lives, because he said to me, you can find Mountain Dew in this particular Rimping. So even though I don't drink it anymore and it's poison, I am in search of Mountain Dew just to have a can or, you know, a six-pack, and when it's done, it's done. I won't buy it again. But, you know, even stuff like this, like flour tortillas, that is difficult to find, impossible in pie, and difficult to find in, you know, the regular Macro and Big C. So, but look, it's 90 baht. It's $3 for a package of tortillas, which I used to get for, I don't know, less than $1 in America. All kinds of sausages, gourmet, ham, bacon, seafood. Look at the size of those shrimp. But once again, 136 baht. So you're talking over $4 for 5 shrimp, 6 shrimp. So this is the place. This is the goodie store where you get everything you could possibly imagine. They've got a lot of imported stuff that you used to get back in the States, but you pay through the nose for it. Okay. That's not American food. That's Thai food. So we're probably paying twice the price for it. There you go. It is what it is. Fries. You just got to have some fries. Those look pretty thick cut, whereas the Thais prefer the small, thin French fries. Yeah, I haven't seen anything less than 100 baht since I've been in here. So you can just see the difference in prices from this from any other store. Look, they even got Haagen-Dazs, but it's $3, over $3 for that tiny little 2 spoonfuls. Is like $3. You gotta really want your Haagen-Dazs fix. And that's on sale. That's on sale is $3 for a little tiny 2 spoonfuls. So it just goes to show you what's up with that. Yeah, I mean, once again, if you can think it, you can buy it here. All kinds of cheeses. You know, once again, ricotta. This was the only place I could find it for sale. The other, okay. Yeah, there it is right there. Now it's 185 baht here. I actually paid 250 for it. That little thing of ricotta. And you notice, even they have it, the whole thing. It's the only one. They have one type of ricotta. There's not 4 brands to choose from, right? So, the land of milk and honey, but it's like not 4 types of milk. It's 1 type of milk and 1 type of honey. But hey, you can get even ricotta and mascarpone. And once again, they got 2 mascarpones. That's it. Out of all this crap, 2 of them are mascarpones. Right, and so that's your choice. 179 baht or 300 baht. $10 for that little thing of mascarpone. So you can see the prices are insane, especially by Thai standards. But you want it bad enough, you're going to pay for it. Apple cider vinegar with the mother. That stuff. Let's see. Oh, 330 baht. Only $11 for that small bottle of Tabasco. All kinds of Tabasco. Once again, you can find Tabasco sauce other places, but not the buffalo style, not the chipotle, which I have at the restaurant. I bought a bottle of this from the other Rimping. Crystal. See, now they actually have a selection of barbecue sauces. They have Worcestershire sauce. They have H1. They have HP for the guys from Britain. Steak sauce. You know, here they have a little bit of selection. Unlike the with the cheeses, where there's one type of cheese, bunch of different types of oil, a bunch of different tomato products, tomato sauces, including sriracha. And in the States, what sriracha costs you here. It's almost $6, 170 baht. So I know you don't pay $6 for sriracha in the States. Soy sauce, plum sauce, coconut milk. This is all what they call seasonings, little packets and stuff. The ramen noodles, gotta sell that everywhere. Kitchenware, you gotta set up shop somewhere. Little kitchen appliances and aluminum wrap, $3. Yeah, really, it's hard to find a price less than 100 baht, which is $3. That's the opening bid for most stuff here. Well, that's cool. 212 baht for a big ass pepper grinder. The only thing is the pepper would kind of go bad unless you use a lot of it. I could use something like that because I use a shitload of freaking pepper, so I would go do that shit in a heartbeat. The only thing is I haven't really seen pepper in bulk here. So rice sticks, rice paper, organic something for 170 baht. It just says organic. I really gotta learn to read Thai. I have no idea what the hell that is. It just says organic. Oh, here we go. Organic Trio Cargo. Well, that helps a lot. Thai brown rice, red plus. Thai. What's this? A Russian girl talking? Thai homily brown rice. Great Harvest brown rice. Okay, so it's rice, and more rice. Just in case you can't get enough rice, they've got rice. Garbanzo beans, there you go. Who doesn't love garbanzo beans? Just a name. Popcorn, nuts, there's snacking and baking. Pop Secret. And once again, look at the prices, 103.51 for that small little thing of popcorn. It's almost $2 for a tiny amount. Grams. Split peas, black beans, 250 baht for chia seeds. Damn. Doggy food, cat food. I got a rabbit, I don't need a dog. Mixed nuts, cereal, all kinds of cereal. So this is where you'll find your brands of cereal that you liked so much in America, but you will be shocked when you see the prices. So here's Kellogg's Rice Krispies, Kellogg's Corn Flakes, and it's $2 for the small box. a little tiny box, 150 grams. And banana cornflakes, honey nut cornflakes, strawberry cornflakes, special K, 123 baht, $4 for a little small box, not the big huge one that you're used to getting in the States. $4. So once again, they got what you're looking for. If you want frosted flakes, you can get it here. Cocoa Crunch, all that crap. So Fruit Loops, it's all here, but you are going to pay. Pasta, cake mix, flour, Nutella, peanut butter, jams and spreads, mayonnaise, mustard, all kinds of pasta. Once again, super expensive. Salt, specialty salt. And soy sauce. More seasoning, lots of seasonings. Oh my god. Look at all those freaking seasonings. Damn. But once again, for a small bottle, you're looking at $3. Over $3. 102 baht. So that's $3.40. I mean, what? And yeah, see the pepper. This is what I have up in Pi. comes with a built-in grinder. Why somebody want to be calling me now? All right, that was my guy Timmy from Pi. He probably wants me to bring him something back up, but I ain't gonna get it in Rimping because Timmy, living in Thailand for the last 8 years, is price sensitive. So he's not gonna pay Rimping prices for shit. 75 baht for 6 is pretty good, actually. That's a decent price for the A&W. But remember, that's right, we're on the hunt for Mountain Dew. Allegedly, supposedly, this place carries Mountain Dew. So I'm gonna look and see if I can get that instead of just A&W, because you can get A&W now in friggin' Tesco. That's not a major coup. I don't see it. I do not see it. I don't know. Yeah, they got everything else. That's cheap. 15 baht. It's normally 25 baht for A&W everywhere. So since I can't find my Mountain Dew, I guess I'll take the consolation prize and get a couple of cans of A&W, because that is 10 baht cheaper per can than what I've been buying it for. So this is Rimping Mai here, and I wanted to check out a different one, and there were rumors I could procure Mountain Dew here, and I thought it would be cool to have a Dew for the first time in, I don't know, 3 years, something like that. But I do not see it, and I think it would be here on this row right here, either cans or cases, 6-packs, whatever. So, all right, that's your tour of Rimping Mai here.